Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This 2-in-1 mopping robotic vacuum is an essential addition to any home, offering both vacuuming and mopping capabilities to keep your floors spotless. With its 1,400 Pascal suction power, this robot vacuum can quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and other debris from your hard floors, carpets, and even pet hair. The wet mop function and 230 ml electric control water tank ensure thorough and even mopping on all hard floor surfaces. But that's not all. This smart vacuum is Wi-Fi and app enabled, allowing you to schedule cleaning sessions, change cleaning modes, and control its direction right from your smartphone. Better yet, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start and stop cleanings with simple voice commands. The ZCWA robot vacuum also features advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance, ensuring it can intelligently navigate around furniture, stairs, and other obstacles. With a slim 2.87 design, it can reach every corner of your home to ensure a thorough clean. And with a 100-minute runtime and self-charging capabilities, this robot vacuum can effortlessly clean up to 1,290 sqft before automatically returning to its charging base. Plus, with 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, it can accommodate different cleaning needs, including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning. So, if you're looking for a powerful and convenient cleaning solution for your home, look no further than the ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today and take the first step towards a cleaner, healthier home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.